Amana Error Code E04 signals that your appliance's compressor has overheated and triggered a protective shutdown. The compressor is a motor-driven pump critical for circulating refrigerant in refrigerators, freezers, and AC units. When it gets too hot, typically exceeding 120 to 150 degrees Celsius, a built-in thermal protector cuts power to prevent serious damage like motor burnout or refrigerant leaks. This isn't necessarily a failure, but a safety mechanism. It indicates a problem that needs addressing. Potential causes include low refrigerant levels, poor ventilation around condenser coils, dirty filters restricting heat dissipation, electrical overloads, or a faulty temperature sensor. Many Amana models from the mid-2010s onward will display this error code. Addressing this promptly can save you from costly repairs or replacements. Keep an eye out for alerts from Whirlpool's app, which includes predictive diagnostics that alert users to impending E04 triggers. This reduces full shutdowns by 30%. First, ensure proper airflow around the appliance by cleaning the condenser coils and replacing dirty filters. This alone resolves many E04 issues. Check for any refrigerant leaks by visually inspecting the compressor and surrounding lines for oily residue. For low refrigerant, professional recharge is necessary. Reset the appliance by unplugging it for 30 minutes to see if the error clears. If problems persist, the thermistor temperature sensor might be faulty. Consider having it tested or replaced by a technician. Preventative maintenance, like annual coil cleaning, can extend the appliance's life by 2 to 5 years. Regular checks can prevent E04 errors, saving money and ensuring your appliance runs efficiently. Note that DIY refrigerant repairs can void warranties and pose explosion hazards, so always use a certified technician.